Thank you, Giovanni. And in the wake of the massive fire that destroyed the Walker's Place of Safety, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has ordered a review of all places of safety island-wide. The Prime Minister, who visited the Walker's Place of Safety today, said he was deeply saddened by the incident and has asked Ministers Royal Reid and Floyd Green to lead the review of all homes island-wide.
That when incidents like these happen, it triggers an administrative response, which is to review what actually happened, from whether or not the building was appropriate, from whether or not we need to spend more resources to build better facilities, to see whether or not there was negligence, and just to make sure, as I've said before, that the places of safety are actually safe places.
The Prime Minister says he'll be working with Opposition Leader Dr. Peter Phillips, who is the Member of Parliament for St Andrew East Central, in which the Walker's Place of Safety is located, to help those affected.
I gather that this is the constituency of the Leader of the Opposition, and he has offered to set up a fund. I think that's an excellent idea. I will be in touch with him to see how best I can contribute to that fund in the spirit of serving our children. And I would encourage all Jamaicans to contribute.